place where you won't be disturbed. Take a seat or lie down. Close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, beginning to slow down. Notice your body on the chair or the mattress and allow yourself to soften in, letting go. This is your time to receive. Allowing the sound now to guide you into a deep state of relaxation, letting the sounds and vibrations wash over you. As you begin to slow down, pause and listen. Your breath again as you begin to come back to full awake consciousness after that brief time out just for you. A little bit of self-care can go a long way. Just taking a moment to just reset, recharge. Doesn't have to take a long time. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day now, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.